Hello guys! Today I'm in my pink vibes, as you can see. I think that I'm gonna use only pink shades in my makeup today, with pink color in my eyes, my lips, and I'm gonna apply a pink lipstick in my foundation also. So let's do this! Today in this makeup I will start with the eyes. I apply the foundation around my brows first. I think that it's gonna be easier to draw it after that. I won't draw my brows long because I'm thinking to extend my eyeliner. If they are both so extended, it will not look so good. Every time I add a little black hairs, really thin, here, because my real hairs on my brows are black. For this moment my brows look dark, but when I finish my makeup it will look great. I want my brows to pop up, so I'm gonna use lighter concealer. I'm gonna add light shades in this position. It's easy to correct your brows in this way. I can make them really thin. And now blend. The next step is applying the base for my eyelid. The best way to apply your base is with tapping motions. And applying a little bit of powder. I start applying the pink color in this place, starting with a bit of the product. And I'm gonna apply a little more of this pink product with other brush, just to make the pink color more intense. I'm gonna leave this part for the highlighter. I apply the pink color from here, right next to my eyelash, to the eyebrow here. And all of the rest blend. I leave this part here with the concealer to be light. I blend the pink color to the middle and do the same with the other eye. After the pink color, I'm gonna use dark brown here, continuing with my second pair of brushes. I'm using one big brush when I apply a little bit of the product in bigger space, and after that the smaller in the middle to enhance the color. That's why I have a lot of brushes. I won't extend the eyeshadow here because my eyeliner will be extended. I'm gonna use a clear brush to make the brown shadow smoother. And I leave this part here in the middle of my eye clear. Sometimes it's really hard to apply dark shadow in so light foundation. So what I do is I take the dark shadow and apply it on my hand. You see? This makes the product to go everywhere so smooth in the hairbrush. And now it's time to make this eye sparkle with this beautiful glitter. This glitter is so fine, I'm gonna apply it without glue. I apply it in a big space of my eyelid because now I'm gonna add a little more glitter with glue, only in the middle here. In this way I make the glitter to be blended, more intense in the middle and blend around. I applied the glitter in this position till this moment that is my cut crease. In this moment I finish with all of these products that could fall down here on my face. And I will continue with my face. Applying the foundation. And as I promised, I'm going to apply the lip gloss in my foundation. Okay, now it's too much, so I'm gonna blend with the foundation. Yeah, much better. Why not? Now applying the concealer. I'm going to use pink highlighter. And applying the powder. I like my nose, don't get me wrong, but in this character I'm gonna reshape it. I had a little pink. And add more of this beautiful highlighter. On the bottom of my eyelid, I will apply the same color like this up. And blend with small brush. In this part I blend more space down. So you see this part here, it's so light. To be more contrasting, I'm gonna add more dark. This way it's going to pop up. Yeah, so much better. And now it's time for eyeliner. I like my eyeliner so thin, but I'm gonna try to make it longer and more visible. I hope that it won't be a mistake. Alright, and now the lashes. Voila! And to finish this makeup, make the lips. And that's the final look. At the first time I was thinking that this pink lipstick on my skin it will be too much, but now it's okay. I really love it. It looks really natural. I really enjoyed this makeup. If you like it, just subscribe to my channel and see you on the next video. Bye!